If you want to see how I repair my daughter protective hairstyle without wash day routine, I guess you watch this video till end.
Hello, I want to do my beautiful hair today because everything will just be fast.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen Jade Natural. In today's video, I'm here to share with you guys how I repair my daughter natural hair without wash day routine. The reason why I'm making this video is because in a previous video that went viral on YouTube, a lot of people have been asking me how did I maintain her hair during the warm month, how did she take her hair to school without dirty, a lot of questions. So that is the reason why I decided to make this video to show you guys how I keep a natural hair healthy during the school time before the wash day routine. So if you want to know a video I'm talking about, I will put the link in the description box below. It can also help you to learn how to use olive oil to prepare natural hair. The first step I do is that I remove the rubber band that was underneath her natural hair. Then follow with the brush that I'm holding here to remove the dirt that was underneath her natural hair. As you can see, I'm done with one section, then I will continue with another section as I'm doing right now. As you can see guys, the brush really worked to remove all those dirt out of our natural hair. Fun fact: before you use rubber on your daughter natural hair, make sure you oil it first before you use it, because if you want to remove it, it will be easy for you to remove without pulling out your daughter natural hair or your hair. As you can see guys, the chunks in her hair are far away from her roots. It means that she have received and achieved new hair growths. As we continue to be repairing this hair, let's talk about natural hair. My daughter have been in natural hair since she was born, and she's 8 years old now. During our natural hair journey, I experienced a lot of things because I just loved the way her natural hair was so full when she was newly born. Because of the love I have for her natural hair, that's why I dedicate my time to make sure I grow her natural hair with everything I know, everything I research about natural hair. So that's why we are in that journey from 1 day old till 8 years old. As you can see, the remaining kids that were playing around also have natural hair, because our natural hair encouraged me to keep all the hair of the newborn baby that I have in the family safe. If I just want to say it, I would say our hair was an eye opener for me to know what I came to this life to do. At this point, I've finished removing all the junks from her hair. Now I'm oiling all her scalp to refresh her scalp again. Then I will massage the oil into her follicles. So doing so, we keep our hair shiny, healthy, and also give her new hair growth before our wash day routine. So after I use oil to moisturize our hair, the next thing I'm going to do is to repart our hair and redo it one by one. So if you want to know how I'm doing this, I guess you continue to be watching this video till end. At this part, I'm spraying our natural hair with water so that it can be easy for me to loose and detangling. As I always said, if you want to do anything on your natural hair, anything at all on your natural hair, the first thing you have to do is to spray water. Spray water because water is the first step so that your natural hair can easy for you to handle. After I've done moisturizing our hair with water, then I will follow our hair with oil, then followed with organic shea butter. All the products I used in this video was organic and naturally made by me. Guys, do you see the way our hair shrinks so fast? The one I've already moisturized that I dropped, do you see the way it's keeping going up? If you leave our hair like that just for 10 to 15 minutes, you will see the hair will turn to a shoulder size. You will even think our hair doesn't even long at all. That's why I always rubber band the down of our hair and also put our hair in a protective style than to leave it open so that it will not matted and shrink together. The reason why I always keep her hair in protective style is because she was a little girl. Second, we are still in winter land. Thirdly, it is not good for little child to stay for a long time every time to be disturbing the hair. It will be making them to be sad anytime you call them to come and make the hair. But if you leave their hair alone for them, maybe twice in a month is okay for them, or thrice in a month if you have time, then that is okay for little child. Why are you going to be doing long hair like this every week? The girl, the child, or the person that have the hair will get tired every time because she will be expecting that very soon you will still come and disturb her hair. And doing this every time will not allow her to be happy anytime you call her to come and do her hair. But if you leave her hair alone, if you disturb her hair less, anytime you call her, she will be happy and stay calm to do her hair. To the point of my feel, I think it is not too good to be washing your hair every week, especially the hair that long like this. The reason why I mentioned so is because during the week you want to wash your hair, you want to conditioner your hair, and you want to put comb to detangle. Next week you will do like that, upper week you will do like that, then in 1 month you will also do like that. Now calculate all the hair that you have lost during the week that you are washing your hair, and calculate the hair that you will lose in just 2 weeks. you know the difference is clear. So the more you leave your hair, the more you achieve hair growth. The more you disturb and manipulate your hair, the more you lose and lost your hair growth that is growing from down of your roots, because the more you grow it out, the more you wash it and comb it away. Before I go, I want to say a big thank you for 21,000 subscribers. And also, I appreciate all the wishes and comments that you have been showering me and my children on this channel. Without you guys' love and support, we could have not made it. I thank you so much and I wish you all peace and love. So family, I will continue the protective style until all our hair is done. If you love this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also comment down in the section box below. And also, don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified anytime we release a unique new video like this. I wish you all peace and love, and don't forget your hair is your crown. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.